Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the fix works. Open Settings and verify your iOS version, and that Face ID/Touch ID plus a device passcode are configured. These enable app locking features. Once done, force close the problem app so it restarts cleanly. Make sure you have the app's latest update in the App Store. Updates often resolve permission quirks. Now go to Settings to continue. This prevents wasted steps and prepares the system for changing app lock controls. Next, you modify the controls that govern app locking. Go to Settings Screen Time to remove or set app limits and confirm the app is not restricted. This can unblock access immediately. Then open Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and toggle app authentication options to reset biometric behavior. If the app has its own lock in its settings, open the app and disable then re-enable that lock so it rebinds to system credentials. These steps reset permissions and clear stale lock states. Finish by restarting your iPhone so all authentication services reload and the app lock settings take effect. A restart often resolves lingering issues. If the app remains stuck, back up your data and reinstall the app. Delete it, restart the device, then reinstall from the App Store. Make sure you restore any in-app credentials if needed. If problems persist, try resetting Face ID/Touch ID and re-enrolling. That refreshes biometric templates and usually clears stubborn authentication failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.